You can order the sway bar end links used in the video from CarParts.com through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. Loosen the wheel lug nuts on the rear wheels. To be able to change the rear sway bar end links on your vehicle, you need to remove the wheels to gain complete access to the suspension system. Lift the rear of your vehicle. Place the vehicle on the jack stands. We strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Toyota Camry safely before carrying out this step. Don't forget to put the wheels under the vehicle. You can now see your car's rear end link. The end link connects the rear sway bar to the struts to keep the wheels firmly on the ground at all times. The components to be removed are very often seized up, so don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to make removal easier. Using a 14mm wrench, a ratchet, and a 5mm Allen socket, unscrew the lower ball joint nut. Keep the ball joint from rotating using the Allen socket and unscrew the nut with the wrench. Finish unscrewing by hand. Repeat the operation on the upper ball joint. You can now remove the link.
Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work.
You can order the sway bar end link used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Take the new link and unscrew the nut supplied with it. Install it in the sway bar, then in the strut. Then screw the nuts back in by hand at first. Screw the nuts back in until it makes contact. Tighten the nuts with a torque wrench. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put the car back on the ground and block the wheels properly. Operation complete.